A judge calls out St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner for recklessly impeding the judicial process. It's in a new court order over records in the case against Missouri's former governor.
All new tonight, Fox Files investigator Chris Hayes explains what it means to transparency and taxpayer dollars.
The St. Louis Circuit Attorney's Office now has 30 days to start handing over records, including text messages and emails about the 2018 Eric Greitens case. The office's resistance so far could cost taxpayers as much as $50,000.
It's really clear now that the walls are closing in.
Former Missouri Governor Eric Greitens via Zoom today.
Clearly, she's hiding something. And I'm glad that the judge is finally holding her to account and is finally going to make her turn over the records of the people who she worked with to steal the election from the voters of Missouri.
Greitens has always said powerful people of influence were behind his indictment for invasion of privacy. He was accused of taking a picture of his blindfolded mistress. He told Fox 2 he never took a picture. Prosecutors never found one. The case was eventually dropped and Greitens resigned as governor. Washington, D.C. reporter John Solomon sued prosecutor Kim Gardner's office, demanding records that show who Gardner was talking to before she decided to pursue her case that crumbled. Solomon hired David Rowland, the director of litigation for the Freedom Center of Missouri.
We're extremely pleased that the judge has decided to kind of wrap this up.
Wednesday's judge's order says the court finds that the defendant's conduct in this case has recklessly impeded the judicial process. Judge Christopher McGraw continued. In addition, the record contradicts a finding of mistake or inadvertence. Because of an order for Gardner's office to also pay the plaintiff's legal fees, Rowland says taxpayers could be on the hook for close to $50 grand for this case. Rowland says he's confident the circuit attorney will finally follow through with releasing records this month.
This time, with the clarity that the judge has provided, they really can't just ignore the order. The people have to be informed about what their elected officials are doing in their name and with their taxpayer resources. And that's what this case is about. This case is about transparency.
The circuit attorney responded through a spokesperson saying simply, quote, "The office is reviewing to determine next options." The spokesperson did not answer what it's paid a private Clayton lawyer in legal fees. For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.